The right tools and browser extensions can make the difference between guessing and succeeding in online arbitrage. In 2026, successful sellers rely on automation, analytics, and AI tools to save time, reduce risk, and find profitable opportunities faster than ever before. Here's a breakdown of the essential tools and extensions you'll need to get started. Let's begin with product research. Tools like Tactical Arbitrage, Seller Amp, and Smart Scout are the backbone of modern arbitrage. They scan thousands of websites, compare prices, and calculate potential profits automatically. These platforms can analyze sales rank, competition, and buy box history so you can make data-driven decisions instead of guessing. Next, you'll need Keepa. Keepa is one of the most powerful Chrome extensions for Amazon sellers. It shows price history, sales rank trends, and buy box rotations over time. By studying Keepa charts, you can instantly tell if a product's price is stable, seasonal, or artificially inflated. Understanding this data prevents bad buys and protects your margins. For quick profitability checks, extensions like RevSeller and A's Insight are game changers. They overlay essential data right on the Amazon listing page, showing you ROI, profit after fees, and whether the product is restricted. This helps you decide within seconds if an item is worth purchasing. Cashback and rebate extensions are another must-have. Tools like Rakuten, Top Cashback, and Rebate can give you a percentage of your spending back. Over time, these small percentages add up to significant extra profit. Combining cashback with discounted gift cards or store coupons can increase your margins even more. Automation tools are the next step once you scale. Repricing software like BeCool, Aura, or SellerSnap automatically adjusts your prices to stay competitive while preserving profit margins. Instead of manually monitoring prices, you can set rules that optimize your listings 24/7. When it comes to managing inventory, consider using a prep center management platform like Inventory Lab or SOStocked. These help you track costs, shipments, and stock levels across different marketplaces. They also integrate with accounting software, simplifying your bookkeeping and tax reporting. For sourcing inspiration, use tools like Google Shopping extensions and AI assistants. In 2026, many sellers even use ChatGPT or similar AI systems to brainstorm product niches, write listing descriptions, or analyze customer trends. Combining human judgment with AI insight gives you a huge competitive edge. Don't forget about compliance and safety. IP Alert is a useful extension that warns you about brands known for issuing intellectual property complaints. Avoiding these saves you from potential account suspensions and unnecessary risk. Finally, use project management tools like Notion, Trello, or Airtable to organize your product lists, track progress, and coordinate with virtual assistants. Treat your arbitrage operation like a professional business from day one. The right tools don't just make you faster, they make you smarter. They turn data into insight, automate the tedious work, and allow you to focus on strategy and scaling. In online arbitrage, your tools are your team. Master them, and you'll build a business that runs efficiently, profitably, and predictably.